Hello guys, if you just unboxed your Nintendo Switch 2 Pro controller and not sure how to connect it, in this guide I'll walk you through every step, how to get your controller paired with your console. Also you will have the visual how to connect it to PC as well, wired or wireless, so you can start gaming right away. So let us start with the fastest method, wired connection. So you just plug the USB-C cable into the top of your Pro controller, connect the other end to one of your USB ports on your Switch 2 dock. The console will automatically recognize the controller and pair it. And you're done, the controller is now ready to use. Now in terms of the wireless connection. On your Switch 2 home screen, go to the system settings, controllers and Bluetooth devices, pair new controller. Now guys, you need to hold the sync button on top of the Pro controller to be able to pair it. Hold the sync button on top of it until the LED starts flashing. The Switch 2 should detect the controller within a few seconds, select it from the list and confirm pairing. And guys, that's pretty much it. Whether you want to go wireless or wired, your Nintendo Switch Pro controller is now fully connected and ready to go. Guys, and also if you would like to get a tutorial on how to connect this controller and other controllers to PC, we have some good knowledge, and of course we will provide you with tutorials on how to do that as well. In general, that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching, press like and subscribe, see you soon.